Hello students, once again in this video we are going to continue the next reaction of aldehydes and ketones with ammonia and its derivatives. Okay, so there are almost 6 reactions under this. These are very important for you, even for the MSc entrance. Okay, so try to follow all these reactions carefully. What is this? Reaction with ammonia and its derivatives. Okay. So first one, let us see the reaction of aldehydes with ammonia. What is ammonia? Ammonia is NH3. Look here, I have written CH3, C double bond OH plus NH3. I have written NH3 as HNH2. So what do we get on reaction with ammonia? We get CH3, C, OH, NH2, H. Okay. So this pi bond breaks up and H comes over here and NH2 comes near carbon. This is called as acetaldehyde ammonia. Okay. Next, second reaction with number 2. Put the side heading with hydroxylamine. Hydroxylamine. What is hydroxylamine, students? Do you know the formula of it? It is NH2OH. Okay. So taking acetaldehyde CH3, C double bond O, H plus NH2OH. Okay. So write down its name here. It is called as hydroxylamine. I am not writing here. You please write down hydroxylamine. So what happens when acetaldehyde reacts with hydroxylamine? This oxygen and H2 from hydroxylamine comes out as minus H2O, forming CH3, CH double bond and OH. Okay. So the product formed here is called as oxime of acetaldehyde, or together we can call it as aldoxime. Okay. Next, taking acetone CH3, C double bond O, CH3 plus NH2OH, again hydroxylamine. Here also minus H2O, that is water molecule comes out, same like here O and 2 hydrogens comes out as minus H2O, forming CH3, C, CH3 double bond NOH. Okay. So this is called as ketoxime. Okay. So with hydroxylamine they form oximes, that is oxime of aldehydes and oximes of ketones. Okay. And the third reaction is with hydrazine. Do you know the formula of hydrazine, students? NH2, NH2. Hydrazine, spelling HYDRAZENE. Okay. Again taking acetaldehyde CH3, CH double bond O plus NH2, NH2. Write down the name here under this hydrazine. Okay. So what happens here? Again water molecule comes out, O from acetaldehyde and H2 from hydrazine. So minus H2O, forming CH3, CH double bond N and H2. So what is this called as? This is called as hydrazine of aldehyde. Okay. Next, taking acetone CH3, C double bond O, CH3 plus NH2, NH2, hydrazine. So same way minus H2O. So what remains? CH3, C, CH3, double bond N, NH2. Okay. So this is hydrazine of ketone. Fine. So this is about the reaction of aldehydes and ketones with hydrazine. Okay. Next, fourth one. Fourth one is, write down the side heading, with phenylhydrazine. So you know what hydrazine is. Now this is phenylhydrazine. That means in the place of one hydrogen there will be C6H5. Okay. Look here, I am writing CH3, CH double bond O plus NH2, NH, C6H5. Okay. So hydrazine is NH2, NH2. Okay. Phenylhydrazine is one hydrogen is replaced by phenyl group. That is, this is benzene ring C6H5. Write down its name under this phenylhydrazine. So same thing happens. Oxygen and two hydrogens come out as minus H2. Okay. So try to write down what remains. CH3, CH double bond N, NH, C6H5. Now, what is its name? Its name is phenylhydrazone of aldehyde. Phenylhydrazone of aldehyde. Okay. Next one, taking acetone CH3, C double bond O, CH3 plus phenylhydrazine NH2, NH, C6H5, same minus H2O. So what remains? CH3, C, here write down C, CH3, double bond N, NH, C6H5. So what is this called as? Phenylhydrazone of ketone. Okay, again CH3, C, CH3 double bond N, NH, C6H5. Okay, so this is about reaction with phenylhydrazine. Next, fifth one, with 2,4 dinitro phenylhydrazine. So we can also call it as 2,4-DNP. Okay, dinitro phenylhydrazine. So taking again acetaldehyde CH3, CH double bond O plus, now what is 2,4-DNP students? So you know hydrazine NH2, NH2. Okay, so NH2, NH. In the place of one hydrogen, there will be benzene ring, and at 2 and 4 positions, there will be nitro groups. So you can number here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So 2,4 dinitro phenylhydrazine. So again same removal of water minus H2O. Minus H2O, we get CH3, CH double bond NH, NO2, NO2. Okay, so this is called as, write down its name, 2,4, dinitro phenylhydrazone of aldehyde. 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazone of aldehyde. Okay. Now taking acetone CH3 C CH3 double bond O plus NH2 NH NO2 NO2 same minus H2O, we get CH3 C CH3 double bond O, sorry, double bond O and H2 removed as minus H2O. Okay, so what remains? Double bond N NH NO2 NO2. Okay, its name is 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazone of ketone. Okay, next, sixth one with semi-carbazide. Semi-carbazide. So you should practice all these 6 reactions. So now showing you what semi-carbazide is. Let me take CH3 CH double bond O. This is acetaldehyde. Next, what is semi-carbazide? NH2 C double bond O NH NH2. Okay, hydrazine is NH2 NH2. So here in the place of one hydrogen we have C double bond O NH2 group. So here also what happens? H2O comes out as minus H2O forming CH3 CH double bond N C double bond O NH NH2. Okay, so this is called as semi-carbazone of aldehyde. Semi-carbazone of aldehyde. So the last reaction, I am leaving it incomplete. CH3 C double bond O CH3. That means taking acetone plus semi-carbazide. So you complete the reaction. So what happens and what comes here, and write down its name. Okay. So this is all about the reaction with ammonia and its derivatives. Okay. First one, students, we have seen with ammonia. Second one with hydroxylamine. Third one with hydrazine. Fourth one with phenylhydrazine. Fifth one with 2,4-DNP. And sixth one with semi-carbazide. Okay. Don't simply leave it after listening. Please try to practice all these reactions because these are very, very important. Thank you.